Guys, welcome back to Evil Monsters' second episode. Today is just a small clips of something we did. We were asked to do some like walk in our shop and dance, so we've done some for you guys. This video is about David, Mikey, James, me. These were taken all today, and it was quite dark, so some of the clips are dark. Some parts you'll miss, some parts you get. We mostly record some of the time we record, but you can still see. So I hope you like this video. Not long started, but I hope you had some good laughs out of this videos. If you have any ideas and things we could do, please message me on Facebook, Twitter, email, comment on this video, or even my YouTube private message. Anyway, for you guys, we have a laugh. We will do the best to make it happen. Please like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.
We all know we're gonna die, baby. We all know we're gonna die, baby. We all know we're gonna die, baby. Sick bubble alright. Apparently it's you that you can't unscrew, and it all just gets so tight. The fireproof sticking out ain't so quick, I just make you think I am. Platinum laser, modern laser, brand new illusion stand. Do it up, spit it out. Push it down.